Welcome to Auto Prime. In today's in-depth presentation, we have the 2016 BMW 318i. Stay tuned.
Before we start, I'd like to remind you to support us by subscribing to our channel. This 318i model has been available on the market from 2015 to 2018 with the same engine, as the car's manufacturers now tend to produce smaller engines, but with increased power and mileage per liter. This vehicle features a proximity key fob. In order to start, make sure you have the key inside. Push the brake pedal and hit start-stop button to go. Now, let's turn on the headlamps, fog lights, and the hazards, and have a look around. All four windows are automatic up and down. The front LED beams are adaptive. It has 18-inch alloy wheels with ventilated disc brakes. The rear seats are foldable to increase the trunk capacity. And now let's check the engine bay. Pull this lever twice, once to open the hood and the other to remove the catch. The engine is a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder twin-turbocharged Petrol that produces 134 horsepower with 220 Nm of torque. It reaches a speed of 100 km per hour in 9 seconds. BMW says the engine can do 16 km per liter on a flat road as tested. Now let's check the interior aspects, shall we? BMW is well known as rated by multiple car experts to be the best in the world with their Infotainment iDrive system that can be controlled with this wheel easily. You can turn it, push it right and left, and click down to select, with shortcut menu buttons around. This is multimedia screen. Radio screen. Bluetooth and phone connection. Sat-nav, the map with all options, contacts, connected drive, vehicle information that includes efficient dynamics that presents EcoPro modes and other reports. Pictured user manual, onboard computer, trip computer, and spot dials that show current power and torque. And finally, the settings menu to adjust and control all vehicle settings as it shows. It has a dual-zone automatic climate control, two cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet. It has an 8-speed Steptronic gearbox, when in reverse front and rear parking sensor display on the screen. Also it has manual shiftability, pull down for upshift and push up for downshift. And it shows the gear you are in after the M letter on driver's screen. Traction control, driving modes that control throttle, gearbox and steering wheel response. The Sport mode is the sharpest and most responsive. Comfort mode and EcoPro. Parking assist. Manual handbrake. Beneath the armrest you will find USB and auxiliary inputs with little storage. On the right side of the steering wheel, the multimedia controls, voice commands and hands-free Bluetooth phone. On the left side is the speed limiter. PC button shows driver's information and vehicle trip computer. auto start stop. And now let's check the back seat. I'm 182 and the driver's seat is all the way back, but I still have a good leg space. Armrest with 2 cup holders. This car's price is $35,000 US, but you can get it with Auto Prime's special discount and save up to $2,500. Same seat adjustments for the passenger as the drivers. Decent sized glove box and a fire extinguisher beneath the passenger's seat. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Tell us what you think about the car in the comments below.